Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your account wasn't added, try again. So guys, if you are trying to add your Google account in your device but you are unable to do this, and whenever you try to add your Google account the error appears like this, that your account wasn't added, try again. So that if you're facing this problem here, I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply reset all settings of your device. So as reset all settings, or you have to simply reset factory settings of your device to fix this problem. So after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, you have to simply use any VPN in your device to sign in or add your Google account in that device. So guys, you have to simply use a VPN, and after this try to add your Google account again in your device. So if you are still facing this problem, then you have to make it sure that you are using the updated software in your device. So if the software is not updated, you have to simply update it, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.